everyone, I am here today to unbox the Grace and Delilah Candle Club box for this month. This is December 2020, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox my candle, which is really cool because every month you get a different kind of candle. So this month I actually got sweater weather. Yes, and this is my dog. He likes to sniff everything. So if it's a candle, food, doesn't matter. He's got to sniff it. But this is the one that I got for December. It's called Sweater Weather. And it looks like it's going to be a great candle. It's 16 ounces. The smell is wonderful. And something else that I really enjoy about the Grace and Delilah Candle Club is every month you also get a little bottle with matches in it. And I've had to actually ask before, how do you actually strike it? And it says strike on bottom. So it's right here, you just strike it right on the bottom. So this is such a neat little thing. I love being able to get this every single month. It's so cute, especially since my daughter and I collect candles. So if you guys are looking for a great gift idea, you can give this to someone. I love the subscription. Every month you do get a 16-ounce candle of a different kind. If you have a certain one or preference, usually you can let them know, and then you do get the bottle of matches that come with it. So overall, it's a wonderful idea. I love the candles. Last month I got the New York one, and it actually really smelled amazing, and I still have more of it left. So I can't wait to start this one, this sweater weather. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.